Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The Best Human Diversity in Education 9th edition is probably one of the most essential resources for educators, students, and anyone passionate about fostering inclusive and equitable learning environments, offering a comprehensive exploration of the multifaceted nature of diversity within educational settings and providing practical strategies to navigate and celebrate differences effectively. Number 5. Cards Against Humanity version 2.0. Get ready for Cards Against Humanity, the party game designed for those with a twisted sense of humor. It's the perfect icebreaker for any gathering of friends. This latest version, 2.0, brings you over 150 brand new cards to keep the game fresh and hilarious. You'll find more ways to shock and amuse your friends than ever before. With a total of 500 white cards and 100 black cards, the possibilities for outrageous combinations are endless. Every game night will be a unique and unforgettable experience. Inside, you'll discover a booklet filled with sensible game rules for a straightforward experience. But we've also included preposterous alternate rules for those who dare to deviate. It's no wonder it's America's #1 choice for a good time. Grab a copy and prepare for an evening of laughter and questionable decisions. What we like. This game is designed for adults looking for edgy humor and a unique party experience. If you enjoy dark comedy and want to break the ice with a group of friends, this is the game for you. Its large card count ensures endless combinations for laughter. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive overview of diversity in education. The 9th edition includes updated research and case studies relevant to contemporary issues in the field. It offers practical strategies for educators to create inclusive classrooms. Number 4. Coogam Wooden Blocks Puzzle. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish, this toy uses harmless paints for safe and worry-free play. It's designed for little hands with a comfortable size. With 40 colorful pieces, you can create countless shapes and figures. Each time you play, a new challenge and a unique creation awaits. Its simple design and bright colors are perfect for igniting imagination. It's a wonderful way to relax and de-stress for both kids and adults. This engaging puzzle helps children focus, boosts creativity, and enhances eye-hand coordination. It's a fun way to learn about geometry and colors. This traditional math puzzle is a fantastic STEM toy for kids and a great fidget tool for adults. It makes the perfect gift for any occasion. What we like. This puzzle is perfect for parents seeking a safe and engaging toy for young children. If you want to foster creativity and improve hand-eye coordination without screen time, this is an excellent choice. It offers a calming activity that can be enjoyed in many different ways. What people say. The book provides a comprehensive overview of diversity in education, covering various cultural, ethnic, and social backgrounds. It includes real-world examples and case studies that illustrate the practical application of diversity concepts in the classroom. The 9th edition is updated with current research and statistics on diversity and inclusion in educational settings. Number 3. Coogam Wooden Hexagon Puzzle. Unlock a world of creativity with this geometric IQ game. It offers endless possibilities for building, encouraging you to discover unique solutions and create amazing works of art. This brain puzzle features 7 colors and 14 different shaped blocks. It's a fun way to engage your mind and practice essential skills. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish and non-toxic paint, it ensures safe and enjoyable play. It's a wonderful alternative to screen time. Its simple design and vibrant colors are perfect for sparking imagination. Creating shapes and patterns helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and spatial thinking. Whether you're a puzzle enthusiast or a beginner, this toy offers a rewarding challenge. It's like learning math through arrangement and combinations, making it a perfect gift for all ages. What we like. This is ideal for anyone who loves a good brain teaser, from beginners to puzzle enthusiasts. If you're looking for a way to stimulate your mind and practice spatial reasoning, this offers a satisfying challenge. It's a great alternative to digital games for both kids and adults. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive overview of diversity in education, covering various cultural, ethnic, and social backgrounds. The 9th edition includes updated research and case studies, making it relevant for current educational practices. It offers practical strategies and examples for educators to create inclusive classrooms and address achievement gaps. Number 2. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed for your Fire tablet. It's the latest version, packed with fun and educational games. This kit includes 6 engaging educational games focusing on early math and reading skills. Your child will learn counting, shapes, and phonics in a playful way. Experience the magic of Osmo. Children interact with physical game pieces and their Fire tablet, bringing games to life without needing Wi-Fi. An Osmo base is included for seamless play. Beyond academics, it fosters essential life skills like fine motor control, critical thinking, and imagination. It's designed to make learning an enjoyable adventure for ages 3-5+. The box contains the Osmo base and reflector for Fire tablet, numerous game pieces, and access to all 6 educational apps. Get ready for hours of interactive learning fun. Osmo is back under new ownership as of 2026. This kit ensures full access to all 6 educational apps and dedicated customer service for your peace of mind. What we like? This kit is perfect for parents of preschoolers who want to introduce foundational math and reading skills. If you are looking for an engaging way to supplement your child's education with hands-on activities that connect to a tablet, this is a fantastic option. It makes learning feel like play. What people say. This is a comprehensive and up-to-date exploration of diversity in education. The book provides a strong theoretical framework and practical examples for understanding and addressing issues of diversity in the classroom. It covers a wide range of topics, including race, ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic status, and disability, offering valuable insights for educators. Number 1. Human diversity in education. Explore the rich tapestry of human diversity within educational settings. Discover how varied backgrounds and experiences shape learning environments for everyone involved. Embrace the unique qualities that each student brings to the classroom. By celebrating these differences, we can create more inclusive and effective learning opportunities for all. Learn strategies to foster an inclusive educational experience. When every student feels valued and understood, their potential for success is greatly enhanced. Recognize the immense value that diverse perspectives add to education. These varied viewpoints enrich discussions and broaden understanding for the entire student body. See how education can serve as a powerful tool for building connections across different communities. It's about creating a shared space where everyone can thrive and learn together. Discover resources and insights designed to help educators navigate and leverage student diversity effectively. Prepare to create a more equitable and engaging learning environment. What we like. This textbook is essential for educators, students, and anyone interested in understanding the complexities of modern classrooms. If you are looking for a deep dive into the principles and practices of inclusive education, this resource provides a thorough and up-to-date perspective. It's ideal for academic study and professional development. What people say. This book is a comprehensive and up-to-date exploration of diversity in education, covering a wide range of topics including race, ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic status, and disability. The 9th edition offers new perspectives and research findings, making it an invaluable resource for educators, students, and researchers seeking to understand and address issues of diversity in educational settings. It provides practical strategies and case studies that can be applied in real-world classroom environments, promoting inclusive and equitable practices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.